Hey guys, it's October, so we are planting garlic. So this year, and I did this last year and it worked out really well. Underneath the leaves are all my garlic bulbs that have been planted. So what I did was plant them several inches apart. There's a whole bunch in there. I think there's, I forget, 50 or something in there. And then we put a couple inches of leaves on there to kind of give them some protection against the snow. And leaves are awesome compost that break down. And then I actually found this, if you can see this black netting. This actually was found in the woods, and so I'm reusing it because that's what us homesteaders do. So I found that in the woods, and I put that on, and then I've got my poles here just to kind of hold it down, just to hold the leaves down. And then I'm going to give it a quick spray with some water, just to, again, just kind of keep it down. And so I've got that bed over here, and I've got some more over here as well. So in between the strawberries, I've got my garlic, and I'm just kind of giving winterizing the garlic. And it sure is a windy day out today. Look at that. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. It's 70 out in October. Time to get some stuff done outside. All right. Happy gardening. Bye, guys.